What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're starting out today at the shop, and she's down at the shop. I brought it down here to get some stuff done. I sent it for safety and everything. That passed. Everything's good. Got it registered at the ministry. Got my plates on. Everything's all good now. But now it's here. I want to just fix some little things. I want to double check my alignment. I want to double check and make sure everything's tight. So let's just go over the car. And I didn't record driving it down here. I had a service plate on it. I just wanted to be as safe and cautious as possible. I didn't want to get pulled over or nothing. So maybe I'll record a little bit of the drive home and we'll go from there. But let's lift it up, check out the underneath because we haven't really seen it. And yeah. So overall, the under part of the car looks pretty decent. You know, everything that we did. You guys have videos on all this. That, I think there's 2 bolts up here on the diff. They're right there in the front. I didn't tighten those, so they have to be tightened. You know, it's, oh, sorry, you were looking at the lift. It's pretty clean. There's a little bit of like rust. Oh my goodness, there's a little bit of rust in some spots here. You know, the pinch welds folded. It's kind of rusty, but not super rotten. Like right here is kind of bad and everything. That is actually pretty bad. It wasn't like that before, but yeah. This side, not as bad, but getting there. The pinch, it's getting there. You know, it needs some TLC. Transmission's leaking a little bit. You know, we get all that fixed. Oil pan looks like it might be leaking a little bit. Get all that fixed. So yeah, there's our fuel filter and all of our stuff. Sorry for the shaky camera. I was trying to film it and look at what I was filming at the same time and hold the light. So sorry if you didn't get a huge good look at everything, but for the most part, that's the goings on. I can't believe how rotten that one frame rail got. It definitely wasn't that bad before, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna go over every nut and bolt that I took off, and then I'm gonna double check the alignment, and then that's probably all I'm gonna do today. I have the hatch that I wanna swap out because this one's got all that old tint on it that I can't get off. So I want to put my other hatch from my parts car, has no tint on it at all, so it'll be a fresh, nice tint job when I get it tinted. And yeah, I just want to go over everything and make sure it's all good. So after looking at everything, I found that this bushing is shot. As you can see, kind of hard to see. Oh, there you go. And as from what I can tell, it's not replaceable. I have to replace the whole cross member, and they're not available. So hopefully the one out of the parts car works. It's an automatic, this is a manual, so I'm not 100% sure, probably unlikely. And these bushings here are also no good. So I was looking at getting replacements for those ones as well. All right, now that disappointment has been found, let's do this alignment. Definitely messed up. The rear camber I'm not too concerned about. Front camber I'm not too concerned about. Rear toe is gonna get fixed. Front toe is obviously gonna get fixed. Well, I got it fixed for the most part. Don't disregard the toe because the car bounced around while I was lifting it up. It is actually even. But the camber, that caster, needs to be fixed, but I'm not too concerned about it right this second because on the driver's side you can see not a lot of thread, maybe, you know, half an inch of threads or a little bit more, and on the passenger side there's a lot more threads, about an inch of threads. So that's telling me that my rack is not centered at all and I need to recenter it. So I'm not too concerned. I'm gonna have to figure out where center is with the steering wheel, pop the steering wheel off, turn it, put it back on, and then I can do another alignment. So This, at least, all the wheels are pointing straight, so I'm not gonna wear my tires out prematurely and everything, and that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna change up, head home. It looks like it's gonna start to rain, and I still have no windshield wipers or wiper arms on the car, so this should be exciting drive home. Look at the clouds outside. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna start raining. All right, shop's all locked up. It's time to go home. I'm gonna take the car on the highway for the first time. See how she does. I'll try and record some of the drive home. If not, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, we made it home safely. The car is all tucked back away in the garage. The drive home was interesting. I took it on the highway for the first time, and the back end of this car shakes a lot. I'm going to assume that has to do with the transmission mount bushing being completely blown out of it. I did find one. Atkins Rotary sells one, so I'm probably going to have to order that, but I am going to check the parts car cross member bushing first, and if I can press it out of that cross member and into this one, then we'll do that if it's good. But I'm gonna leave this video here, just a little quick video getting the alignment done, doing the inspection underneath, checking over all the nuts and bolts. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, like, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care, drive safe.